Take a look at the map. Europe, Africa. At the Strait of Gibraltar, they are separated by just 14.3 kilometers, a mere 8.9 miles. That's shorter than the distance of some of the world's major bridges. The ambition has been there for over a century. A permanent link, a bridge, a tunnel, a modern-day wonder that connects two massive continents and completely changes global trade, travel, and politics. The technology exists. The wealth exists. So why, after decades of planning, is there still no bridge connecting Spain and Morocco? The answer lies beneath the surface, where a perfect storm of terrifying geography, tectonic terror, and monumental economics makes the Strait of Gibraltar perhaps the single toughest engineering challenge on Earth. Stay tuned, because the true story is far more complex than a simple construction problem. To put that in perspective, the Channel Tunnel, which links the UK and France, sits at a maximum depth of around 75 meters. We're talking about a difference of more than 12 times the depth. Building bridge support pillars down to a stable foundation at 900 meters is an engineering feat that has never been accomplished. The sheer weight, the water pressure, and the cost would be astronomical. It forces engineers to abandon the bridge idea and focus on the next great hurdle. The first reason the bridge is an impossible dream is the sheer terrifying depth. While the strait is narrow, the seabed drops off dramatically. At its shortest point, the water plunges to over 900 meters. That's almost 3,000 feet. The second nightmare is the water itself. The currents. The Strait of Gibraltar is the only natural gateway between the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. This creates extremely strong, complex, and unpredictable currents, and even internal waves. Any construction equipment and the final structure itself would be constantly battered. Imagine trying to precisely drill and pour concrete for a pillar in a constant underwater hurricane. It's a legit staggering financing, and the engineering genius can overcome the most challenging natural barrier in the world. So the short answer to why there's no bridge is simple. You can't build a stable bridge on a tectonic fault line in 900 meters of water with extreme currents and a million ships passing by. The permanent link will likely be a tunnel, but even that is an unprecedented project that demands overcoming depths, geology, and politics unlike any other. It's not a failure of ambition, it's a tribute to the raw power of nature. Do you think the Spain-Morocco tunnel will actually be completed by 2040? Will the World Cup finally provide the fuel this century-old dream needs? Let me know your predictions and your thoughts on the engineering challenge in the comments below. A bridge between Europe and Africa would be a marvel, a symbol of unity and progress. But nature, cost, and politics make it one of the most challenging projects imaginable. Maybe one day, with new technology and global cooperation, we'll see it happen. Until then, it remains one of the world's greatest what-ifs. What do you think? Should we build it? Would you cross it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. So, why is there no bridge between Europe and Africa? It's not just one reason. It's a perfect storm of geography, engineering, economics, and politics. Maybe one day, technology will catch up. But for now, the Strait of Gibraltar remains a natural barrier between two continents. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into an impossible mega project, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you next time.